Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Overdose 619. And guys, make sure you subscribe and support my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install this propeller on a Mavic Air 2. As you can see guys, these two propeller are different. One has a label and the other one without label, and also the motor. Okay, so this one goes over here. So guys, as you can see, this little hook goes to that holder. So place this on the top of the motor and press it down. Make sure it's aligned on that holder, and hold the motor down so when you turn it clockwise it doesn't go with the propeller. So press down and turn it clockwise. There you go. And same thing in the other side. So this one, you will turn it counterclockwise. Okay, there you go. So press down and turn it clockwise, and on the other side press down and turn it counterclockwise. All right, so my next video is gonna be a flight test of this Mavic Air 2. All right, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and peace.